are you in a tight deadline, wanted to create some visualization, 3D visualization, rendering, or presentation file related to the architectural project, you are in a right place. In this video, I will show you how to create some images to present to your client using AI, and I want to create an exhibition starting from the scratch, 0 to 100. And in this process, I will show you all of the prompts and tools, AI-assisted tools and workflows that I use to create some high quality and hyper-realistically images and contents, especially architectural contents. And yeah, let's go and dive into the project. So my name is Puya Nasr. I'm a 3D visualizer. I specialize in AI-assisted workflows and AI 3D visualization. And today I want to show you some amazing tools called Nano Banana, which is based on the Gemini, Midjourney. Before diving into the project, let me tell you something about the project that we want to design using AI. Okay, so I joined university organization working on an exhibition called Prism, which is a conceptual exhibition. So exciting. I will show you all of the contents like plans and renderings and the visuals that I've created in a tight deadline, like 7 days. So now I want to create more contents, more architectural contents, and I want to upload it in the Instagram, LinkedIn, etc. to show my clients my skills using AI and the ability that I can create a project starting from the scratch to 100% completely. This project is an exhibition based on the University of Lincoln. So I studied architecture in the University of Lincoln, interior architecture in fact, and I recently graduated. And when I was a student, I joined the organization inside of the university, and I was in charge of designing an interior performance of the exhibition based on EDI team. So EDI stands for Equality, Diversity and Inclusion. And it says that the concept that has proposed was Prism. So Prism basically is a functional object which convert lots of colors, lots of lights to one unique color, like white, or vice versa. So it's the symbol of people with various backgrounds, like various colors, various thoughts, various beliefs, etc. And the story of all of us from one unique source. Okay, so basically this project is based on the EDI theme and the storytelling that I told you. And now I want to create some content based on this concept, and I want to develop them using AI. And yeah, let's start. Okay, so at the very first point of this project, I started with the plan. You can see Nicola de la Haya and Peter de Wint building, which is our college, as a COASH, College of Science, Humanity and Arts, based on the University of Lincoln. Now I want to convert this AutoCAD plan into a PDF file, and then I can develop it using AI. So you can see that all of the thin lines and all of the thickness has to be changed to a 0 thickness. So I will select a whole plan and convert it to the 0 thickness lines using the layers. So here is the thickness of all the lines. So I have changed that to make sure that all of the lines are efficient and fine. And yeah, now we have the result that you can see. And here we go. It's ready to export. So basically it's the very first content that we can import as an input to the AI to make sure that everything is correct. Okay, so I rename it in exhibition venue plan, and yeah, here we go. So basically the plan is ready right now, and it's obvious that we need a plan to start with an AI. So I want to convert the PDF file to another version, So I usually use online platforms like I Love PDF to convert it to the various types like JPEG or PNG. So as you can see, now I can convert it to the JPEG and download it, and yeah, we are ready to go. Here we go. It's good enough. It's good enough, in fact, to start with the AI. And now here is the Gemini. Let me ignore the section of the setting up your account because you can easily find it. And let me tell you about GPT. So ChatGPT has a section called GPTs, which you can search like Gemini here and find the Gemini prompt generator to create your advanced prompt. So what I did was to create some advanced prompt like this. Let me import the photo that we've downloaded from the I Love PDF, and yeah, or we can upload our PDF as well because of its high quality. So convert it to the 3D technical isometric model, showing sections depth, playing lights and shadows, maintain the exact layout, and here is the advanced prompt. Don't worry about the advanced prompts, I will put it in the file for you, so you just need to subscribe my channel. I will send all of them for you, and you can have it and use it as a source of inspiration. So again, I've uploaded the JPEG image. Don't forget to put the create image as well. Put the create image button, and yeah, here we go. Uploading an image again, writing that advanced prompt, and Gemini is generating our desired image. So basically here is the image that has been generated using the AI, showing the depth, and here is the 3D model in the style of Revit. But the thing is that for the competitions or for the client, in order to understand better, it's better to change and move the camera viewpoint. So now I want to convert it to the isometric view using another advanced prompt, but before that let me save it, and yeah, here we go, it's the image. But the thing is that the texts and the 2D patterns is not efficient, but we can remove it, don't worry about that. It's just an advanced prompt writing, and the Gemini will remove all of them for us. So before that, let me write another advanced prompt. So change it to the isometric view. It's not, by the way, the advanced prompt, so I can I just want to be user-friendly actor, and after that here is the isometric view as well. So you can see that in less than maybe 5-10 minutes we reach to this conclusion, which is amazing. Thanks AI and thanks Gemini. As I'm sure you've seen these ugly 2D patterns or texts, I want to write remove any 2D or texts, all of the texts, and keep the rest of the image as it is, or keep the 3D model as it is. Okay, Gemini is really helpful. It helps us to save lots of energy, time, budget, money, etc. And I have a plan to equip the companies and my clients with AI assisted workflows and emerging AI tools to make sure that their design process is efficient in terms of the economics and in terms of the period of time and time management. So as you can see, when it comes to the Gemini AI and visualization, people think that they are not in high quality images and they are so basic. So I partially agree with this statement, but there are lots of solutions. That one of the solutions is our sponsor Wondify. But before introducing the Wondify, let me show you the differences between the patterns and texts. So Gemini helps us to remove all of the images, all of the texts and the unnecessary items inside of the image that we've generated. When it comes to the architecture, quality is the most important thing. So looking at these images, they are in low quality. That now I want to tell you a solution to make the way for it. Okay, now we want to show you how Wondify helps us to convert the low quality images to the high quality ones like that. Okay, so let me dive into the screen and show you this amazing website. But before doing that, don't forget to subscribe my channel, follow this page, and if you have any comments related to this video, I would be happy to see that. Thank you. Okay, now it's time to start with Wondify app website. So this website is to help you boost your creativity. Here is an all-in-one platform. I'm sure that you will absolutely hear from this website in the near future. And here is its studio. So in this panel, you can write your advanced prompt. Let me change it to the night mode. Yeah. And now I want to upload those low quality images. Gemini 3 Pro helps us to upscale those images to the 4K images. So here is the panel to upload those kind of files, like high quality ones. Now these are the images that I've generated, and yeah, here we go. It could be changed to a 4K images, as you can see. And now you can easily download it by right click, and after that you can download it in your folder. Having a look at its quality, it's amazing, isn't it? That's perfect. Okay, great. So UK is so cold right now. I wear this as well, and now you can see me white and yellow. Brilliant. Wondify is an all-in-one platform. I'm sure that in the near future, lots of emerging AI tools will appear to make the life easier and makes the design process better. So Wondify is all-in-one platforms that gather all of the AI tools together. So instead of buying lots of subscriptions, buying lots of maybe the tokens in various platforms, you just need to buy one subscription in Wondify, and after that you are all set. Then you can use lots of emerging AI tools together. Sometimes you may need to jump from the Gemini to Midjourney, or from Gemini to ChatGPT, or from ChatGPT to Midjourney. So this website is emerging to make the life easier for you. And thank you so much for watching this video and your time. I would be happy to get in touch. So don't forget to subscribe this channel, follow my Instagram, LinkedIn, other social medias. Just need to search Pooya Nasr and that's it. I also do 15 minutes one-to-one sessions in case you need my help or my advices. So don't forget to check the description for the files, or if you need anything else, just comment below. We can get in touch. Thank you so much. I will see you in the next video.